Imagine if we could share with care. Somehow everyone has their head in the clouds these days. But it's not this huge scary cloud where you never know what happens. It's your very own personal cloud full of the things you love and live with. Nevertheless, there is a bigger picture. Because there is not just Corinna and Theo. The world is full of many different minds and colourful characters. No matter if Corinna just wants to feel like home, if she wants to share experiences with Theo, if they want to collect memories with dear friends, or if they feel adventurous and curious to get to know new people. Your Mini knows you and surrounds you with your mood and needs. Mini grows with its experiences, just like you do.